Alright, I got an order for pickup here for some fence. Hi, I have an order to pick up some fence from Home Depot. It's a fence line post, and do you have anything to be picked up? No?
Oscar,
What's that?
no, es que no hay nadie. No,
Um,
a ver, permítame.
¿Va a hablar inglés?
No, permítame. Ve para adentro, niña. Ve para adentro. Ve para adentro.
Alright, well, there's no fence out here. There's a trailer here, so they could have returned it. This happens a lot on pickups. I get an order that's already been returned or already been picked up, and for some reason it regenerates on the routing. So it's not even out here ready to go. So this is going to be a no-go for a pickup, probably regardless here. It said something about 100 items plus another, I don't know, 15 or so items of something else.
Camera recording. Métete para allá, Jessica. Vete para allá. Es que vino un señor aquí.
Hi, how are you? Hey, I have an order for some fencing from Home Depot for pickup. It's for pickup. I don't see any fencing to pick up here. Yeah, like it says fence line posts and something else, like 100 of them.
Camera recording.
No? Okay, it must be. Okay, I don't know. I couldn't get a hold of the phone number that they gave me or anything, so I'm not really sure what's going on with this order.
Yeah, no, we're good. Nothing.
Nothing for you guys, huh? Okay, well, I'll just, I'm going to that store right now anyway, so I'll just, like, show them the order and just let them know. So.
I ordered something, but we were already picked up. I don't know why you're bringing.
No, I'm not bringing anything. I was supposed to pick it up, like, and take it back to the store.
No, nothing of that.
Okay. All right. Well, I will go back to the store and let them know.
All right.
I
Okay.
appreciate your help, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep.
Welcome.
All right. Have a good day. All right. Well, that's how that goes sometimes. So nothing to pick up. Had no idea what I was talking about. The phone number's no good. So just by chance, I'm going back to the store that had the order. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the store the order that I have on my phone and let them know exactly just what happened there. And we'll just finish up from there with it. So just wasted my time for no reason. And that's okay. It happens. But anyways, give me a like or comment and subscribe if you can, if you're new. And I'll talk to y'all later.